Welcome to my channel Study Mantra. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Today we learn 10th standard mathematics part 2. Lesson is Pythagoras theorem. Let's study right angle triangle. Then second is similarity and right angle triangles. Third one theorem of geometric mean. Then first point is right angle triangle. Definition: a triangle in which one of the angles measure 90 degree is a right angle triangle. From definition, we will draw the figure. That is, in triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90 degree is called the hypotenuse, and sides AB and BC are called perpendicular sides. That is, here hypotenuse is the largest side in the right angle triangle. The next point is similarity and right angle triangles. Statement of the theorem: in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. From this statement, we will draw the diagram. Here ABC is right angle triangle and the altitude BD is perpendicular on hypotenuse AC. Then given in triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree and segment BD perpendicular segment AC. Then we have to prove that the two triangles are similar to the original triangles and with each other. That means triangle ADB similar with triangle ABC. Then second one, triangle BDC similar with triangle ABC. And third one, triangle ADB similar with triangle BDC. Then proof of the given theorem. By observing the diagram, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle DAB congruent angle BAC because common angle. Then second, angle ADB congruent angle ABC, each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ADB similar with triangle ABC by AA test. This is first proof. Similarly, in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle BCD congruent angle ACB because common angle. Then second, angle BDC congruent angle ABC, each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BDC similar with triangle ABC, that is by AA test. This is second proof. That is from 1 and 2. Triangle ADB similar with triangle BDC. This is third proof. Then next point is theorem of geometric mean. That is, statement of the theorem is, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. From given statement, diagram is, that is, ABC is right angle triangle. Here segment BD is perpendicular on hypotenuse AC. Then given in triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree and segment BD perpendicular hypotenuse AC. Then we have to prove that BD square equal to AD into DC. Then proof of the theorem. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree as well as segment BD perpendicular hypotenuse AC, that are the given points. Therefore triangle ADB similar with triangle BDC by similarity of right angle triangles. Here two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore AD upon BD equal to BD upon DC, that is corresponding side of similar triangle. Then by cross multiplication, BD square equal to AD into DC. That means segment BD is the geometric mean of segment AD and segment DC. Then by taking one example, in figure, angle MNP equal to 90 degree, segment NQ perpendicular segment MP, MQ equal to 9, QP equal to 4, then find NQ. Then solution of the given example is, in triangle MNP, angle N equal to 90 degree and segment NQ perpendicular hypotenuse MP, that is the given points. Therefore by theorem of geometric mean, NQ square equal to MQ into PQ. Then putting the values, that is equal to 9 into 4, then multiplication is 36. By taking square root, NQ equal to 6.